A slow morning, making a delicious, nutritious breakfast, enjoying the sunshine and enjoying my cuppa has been absolutely so nourishing for my soul. Life has been quite busy lately and I haven't been able to just stop and just pause and just have a bit of a slow morning. But this morning was one of those days and I cannot express how great this was for me to reset. I made this beautiful nutrient-dense baked bean style dish where I used chopped tomatoes, mixture of different types of beans, some herbs from my garden, some eggs from my chickens, and also a beautiful bagel because, it was on special, so why not, with some cottage cheese for some extra protein. And my gosh, it was absolutely so delicious. I used basil and spinach as some of my herbs, and then of course salt and pepper too. They were honestly so amazing and I feel so nourished and it filled me up for hours. I hope you get to have a slow morning sometime this week too.